Hi friends, today I will be demonstrating the best quinoa salad recipe. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein, and one of the few plant foods that contains sufficient amounts of all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. Due to this higher quantity of protein and fiber, quinoa is not only the healthier choice but will also fill you up faster, allowing for smaller portion sizes. Plus, this surplus of fiber can help to lower cholesterol and control blood sugar levels. So let's go for the preparation part now. Take a small bowl of quinoa and boil it, cook it well and keep it aside. We have to chop some vegetables like tomatoes, white onions, lettuce, mint leaves, a handful of raisins, black pepper and Himalayan pink salt. Now I'm going to prepare the salad dressing for this, and I'm going to squeeze half lemon to olive oil. Small amount of olive oil like 2-3 spoons, and then add the pink salt and black pepper to this. You have to really stir it well so that the pepper and pink salt get really blended with this olive oil and lemon. It is really yummy. And then just take out the seeds from this. Now I'm going to cut this raisins into 2 so that you will get the sweet taste. Now add all the chopped vegetables to the prepared quinoa, cooked quinoa, and slightly blend it. Going to add the prepared salad dressing to this now. Then now you have to blend it really well so that the olive oil gets into each and every parts of the bowl, and now your delicious quinoa salad is ready to have it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos and share it. Stay tuned for more of health videos and tips. Thank you.